Welcome to our updated guide on how to see all muted accounts on X, formerly Twitter. If you're looking to manage or review the accounts you've muted, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the steps to help you take control of your experience. Open the X app on your Android or iPhone device and tap the X icon to launch the app. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. In the menu, select Settings and Support to access the next set of options. Under the Settings section, tap on Settings and Privacy to dive deeper into your customization options. Tap on Privacy and Safety, where you can adjust all your privacy settings. Find and tap on Mute and Block to manage your muted accounts. Finally, tap on Muted Accounts and you'll see a full list of all the accounts you've muted on X. By following these easy steps, you can quickly review and manage your muted accounts within the app. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Take control of your X experience by managing your muted accounts effectively.